Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited about this one. We're going to be making sticky ginger pudding with coconut cream, which is a healthy play on the original sticky toffee pudding, which is native to my mothership and used to be my favorite dessert, I have to say, with lashings of runny custard. But these days, sticky ginger pudding with coconut cream has definitely far and away taken it over as my favorite. Not only mine, but everybody who I've served it to. Originally, I found it on a website which was called healingfamilyeats.com, and it was a fantastic one. I was looking for something that suited somebody following an autoimmune protocol diet and found this made with a gelatin egg, but I have now modified it and it's just a paleo compliant version now. I do use an egg in it, but it is absolutely one of the best things you'll ever eat. If you like ginger, if you don't, it's not. And on top of that, if you do like ginger, it's possibly one of the best things you can put in your body. It is so super nutritious and healthy, as well as being delicious. So you kind of feel like you're being decadent, but you're doing yourself a lot of good. Gut healing, anti-inflammatory, you name it. So the first thing that we're going to want to do for this is to generously, and I do mean generously, grease a bowl, a baking dish, and ideally round, quite deep like this one. So just grab a knob of butter and just slather it all over. So I'm using my mixer. If you're doing it by hand, mash the bananas first, and then you'll add a half a cup of honey and a half a cup of shortening or butter. And so just throw those in. Also, if you are using butter, because shortening is 100% fat, whereas butter is 85% fat and 15% water, it will be a slightly different consistency, a different texture when your pudding is ready. But it will still be equally delicious, just probably less dense if you use the butter. Okay, for the sake of time, I've already measured out the half a cup of the shortening. And now we're going to put in half a cup of honey. And for those who missed it last time, just wanted to point out again that it's important to know where your honey comes from, because it's not all created equally. I only buy from this company, Remsburger's Honey. They have a website, so if you're not fortunate enough to live around the corner, you can buy it off of their website. And so half a cup of honey. In we go, and we'll just sit that down for a moment. Okay, we might just make it. Seriously. I have to put in a new order. Okay, so we've sped right up there, just getting it all really well mixed. Next thing is half a cup of coconut flour and a teaspoon of ground ginger. Smells so good. We need a teaspoon of the fresh ginger as well. Okay, so just peel your ginger and give it a little rinse and then grate it straight in. Okay, start slowly and mix. Righty-ho. And now goes into your ready and waiting prepared buttered dish. Just make sure it all goes in there. And then we're going to bake this for pretty much 50 to 60 minutes, depending on your oven. So I would always check it at 50 minutes. And last bit in there now. And then we're going to neaten it off, make it level. You might need the aid of a knife here. But whatever you do, just make it nice and neat so that as it rises, it's going to be pretty uniform. This is one heck of a dessert. Okay, so here we go. It's completely ready for the oven, and that's going in right now. Exactly 55 minutes, and what you want is exactly this. You don't want it to be too firm in the center because you're going to lose that fabulous stickiness. This is perfect. So now let's do our cream. If you're doing a whipped cream, a coconut whipped cream, put this unopened can in your fridge overnight, let it solidify, and then whip it. If you, like me, like runny cream, then you're just going to use it as is. So I've already opened this, ready, and you can do this by hand. We're just going with this because, well, it's already out. So, okay, all of it goes straight in. You can add some vanilla. I really love this. It's a Tahitian vanilla powder. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to put in 1/4 teaspoon, and we're going to just whip that up. Okay, that's pretty beautiful for the consistency of a nice heavy cream, which is exactly what I want. Okay, so this is going to make pretty much 6 to 8 portions depending on, well, how big of a portion you're going to hand out. But for me, it's going to make a comfortable 8. And therefore, here's what we're going to expect from it. It's gooey in the center, and it's just looking absolutely delicious. The coconut heavy cream, and you can see the vanilla in there. Oh my God, you have no idea. You're going to love this so much. Here we go. Just drizzle that on, lashings of it. No guilt here. And there we are. Ready to eat. Okay, there we are. Wow, it is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait for you to try this. You know, some things just have to be done, so forgive me. It's very important that I do this right now. Wow. Every time it amazes me. It really is that good. Well, I took a few moments out, and here's why. I really do find it that irresistible, and I know you will too. It's absolutely amazing. So I can't wait for you to try it, and I hope that you will give me a like and subscribe. And also, if you like what you've seen, please do tell people to come and watch my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.
If you like this video, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe.